Hi, I'm Brianna with Bonanza, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set a listing status to reserved. If you've imported items or created a listing that still needs some work, you can set it to reserved. This means the item is no longer visible to the buyers, but it stays in your booth until you're ready to post it for sale. If you decide you just need to take a break from selling, or if the items are temporarily out of stock, this is also a great option. Start by hovering over the selling link, and from the drop-down menu, select Add or Edit Items. On this page, you'll find all your listings. On the listing itself, in the top right corner, select the More link, and then from the drop-down menu, select Reserve Listing. You'll be asked to confirm. If you have a bunch of items that you want to add to reserved, you can do so from the batch editor. Start by hovering over the selling link, and from the drop-down menu, select Batch Edit Items. Scroll down and select the items you want to set to reserved. Scroll back up, and under the Item Basics tab, select Set Status, and then from the drop-down menu, select Reserved. Don't forget to apply your changes. After you apply changes, you'll see a confirmation notification. When you're ready to post these items for sale, the process is very similar to setting their status to reserve. Back on the Add or Edit Item page, hover over the More link, and from the drop-down menu, select Set to For Sale. You'll be asked to confirm. Once you do, the item will be marked with a small green dot, indicating the item has posted for sale. You can also update your booth to refresh your items for Google Shopping. You can also change the status in bulk using the batch editor. If you scroll down, you can use the filter option to quickly bring up all your reserved listings. Or you can manually select your listings. Then scroll up and under Item Basics, set Status for Sale. Don't forget to apply your changes. You will then see a notification confirming that the items were posted for sale. To check the status of all your listings, go to the Add or Edit Item page. Along the left side, you'll see a quick breakdown of items posted for sale, ready to post, and incomplete, with a corresponding colored dot to match. At Bonanza, we build tools to make your selling life easier. To learn more, visit our help pages at www.bonanza.com.